Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look. We're also going to be using the Becky G makeup. I've actually had it for quite a while now. I just haven't done anything with it. To start off, we're gonna unpackage it. Well, it came in like another package, but it came in this, and it has, I ordered like the entire set or whatever you want to call it, and it's called Salvaje. It's probably a little open because I already took a sneak peek, but it comes like that. There's also the, what's it called? Okay, these are loose powders. They're highlighters. And it has some lippies. It is 5 lipsticks. And I'm sorry if it looks a little crusty, the boxes. It's just that I dropped my candle earlier. And it came with like 2 packaging stuff, like, who it came to and the address. So we're gonna go in with the Salvaje palette. It has 16 colors. It has 12 colors. It comes in the box. It's a really pretty box. I am not going to lie. It comes like this. It has the shade called Luna, Cafecito, Estrella, Celoso, Malbec, Patrona, Vibra, Sirena, Corona, Sangria, Caramelo, y Lola. These are the shades, and we're going to be using today, we're going in with Sangria and Luna. We're going to be using those 2 colors. But also to create the look that we're creating today, we're also going with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, because we're going to be using this hot pink shade right here. So to start off, we're going to conceal our eyes with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. It's in the shade Tan Walnut, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid. And I'm going to do one eye first, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. Now we're going to go in with this Beauty Blender by Real Techniques, and we're going to blend out the entire area. Okay, so now we're going with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette with the hot pink shade right here and the Morphe M441 brush, and we're going to apply that above our eye like this. This is going to be the transition color. After you've applied the hot pink color, like something like this, you guys, like it's something really simple. We're gonna go in with the Sangria color, which is right here, and we're gonna apply that all over our eyelid. And these are honestly like really beautiful colors. Like there's a little bit of fallout, but they are really good for the price, because like the whole set was about like $50 for all 5 lippies, the 2 highlighters, and the eyeshadow palette. So I honestly think this is a deal. Like it's you must buy. Okay, so after you've applied that all over your lid, we're gonna go in again with the hot pink shade with the same Morphe brush. Oh, and the previous brush I had used was by Equal Tools, the Accent Shadow brush. And we're gonna go back in with that hot pink shade, and we're just gonna blend everything out to not have any hard edges, and make sure that the eyeshadow looks beautiful and blended. So once that has been done, we're also going in with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. in the shade Tan Walnut, and we're going to cut a crease. I'm gonna use the Morphe M124 brush to cut the crease. Okay guys, so I have my crease cut, we're also going to go again with the Salvaje palette, and this time we're going in with the Luna shade, but this time we're going to use the defining eye brush by e.l.f. and we're going to set the cut crease with that Luna color. Okay, so now that it's set, it looks like really like, you know, like not blended, like strong, like solid. It looks really off. So we're going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil again, and we're going again with that hot pink shade, and we're gonna apply it on the outer corner, and we're just gonna start blending it. So right now you can't really see that like salvaje color that we had used from the salvaje palette. Oh no, it wasn't salvaje, it's sangria. You can't really see that sangria color. Right now it kind of like blended out. So we're just going in right now with the hot pink, and we keep blending and blending till you see that it's perfect. Now that I've seen that my crease is blended, I'm going in again with the salvaje palette, going in with that sangria color, and we're going to put that on the very edge and make sure that you can see that brightening color, and it's starting to look really beautiful. We're gonna go in with some glitter. We're going to put it above with the creases cut, and we're going with like this little package you can literally buy at Walmart, and some NYX primer glitter primer, and we're gonna go in and create that glitter line. I have my glitter on now, and now we're going in to create two hearts. One's gonna be smaller than the other one, and the other one's gonna be a little larger. We're gonna create it with this NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner, and we're gonna put them at the very top right here. And I'll try to let you guys see me, but I'm really blind, so I'm going to have my mirrors right in front of me. So I'm sorry if at the end you guys can't really watch anything. So now I have both hearts on. Now I'm gonna go in with my lashes. I'm actually reusing some lashes I already had on, so I do not remember what kind they are, but I'll try to figure it out and link it down below. Alright guys, so my camera actually turned off before I was able to tell you guys that I was gonna do my other eye off camera, but I applied my eyelashes and I did my eye off camera. Now we're gonna go in and do the rest of my makeup. So we're gonna go in with the face primer Combo Skin True Blend by CoverGirl, and we're gonna prime our face. And we're gonna literally put that all over. I usually focus onto like my nose because it is the most greasiest place I have, and then like on my chin and somewhat my forehead. But I like to apply a lot because I don't want to be getting any more acne than what I already have. Now that I have applied my primer, we're gonna go in with the Tarte Double Duty Foundation in the shade Honey, but this foundation is a little too dark for me now. So we're gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Total Drop Foundation. It's in the shade Natural. So I'm gonna apply both, and I don't want to add a little too much. It's just, you know, enough for coverage. And then we're gonna go in with the next one, and this one is like a drop thing. So I'm gonna grab the beauty blender I had used earlier, and we're gonna blend everything out. I applied all my foundation. I feel like it's a little too white, I'm not sure, but it's whatever. Now we're gonna go in again with the same e.l.f. concealer, and we're gonna conceal to cover up those dark circles. Then I start blending it out with that same foundation. I'm sorry guys, I'm just zoning out. With that same sponge. Okay, so this is what I look like, guys. I look pale as a ghost right now. But we're gonna use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer to contour. And this I usually apply above my big forehead. I do not like to cream contour my nose. It's probably the worst thing ever for me. And for my cream contour, I usually like to use a brush. I don't really like sponges. I'm using a powder blush brush to blend this out. And with this concealer, it dries up pretty fast, so you have to go, work on it pretty quick. And for my contour, I like going up, not down. Like down will make you create like a sloppy contour, even though my contour is still not the best. Okay, so with whatever is left over on the brush, I go under my chin because I don't want it to be too dark. But I have to cover up that double chin a little. Okay, since I already contoured and concealed, I'm gonna use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now I'm gonna apply that and grab my beauty blender we're using earlier and put that all where I concealed to set it. And I do not leave it for that long because I don't want to look like a ghost, so this is a little too pale for me, but it's a really good powder. I basically just put it on, finish, and dust it off. Okay, so now that I've set my face, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my contour, and I'm using the same brush I had used previously. And I'm going to just go in slightly, not way too much. Going upwards. Okay, so whatever is left on the brush, I'll slightly go like this to my nose to make it seem a little thinner. After that, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Clean Professional, and I'm going to make my contour sharp. I'm going to go in with the Salvaje palette again, and I'm going to use the Eye Crease Brush by e.l.f. and go in with that Sangria color again. And we're going to go in right below the lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and dust off my powder. Now we have the Colourpop Loose Powder Highlight. And there's two of them. There's this color. It's in the shade Chisme. This is what it's called. And there is this color. It's named en Princesa. This color is beautiful, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is so pretty. Guys, I live for the second one. It is so gorgeous. That is so beautiful. Okay, I think we are going to stick with the second color today. That's the color we are going to put on our look. I'm gonna apply this on with my finger. I actually ended up using the brown and like the red colors. Those two, I put them onto my lips. I applied a little bit of mascara called to the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof by Maybelline. And that was about it. I also applied the Mario Badescu spray to set my makeup. But this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to get notified of when I post. Make sure to leave a comment down below to get featured onto my next video. And thanks for watching, guys.